Guess who got some happy mail?
So there's some exciting news happening with Lion Brand yarn.
Skein Tones is a new yarn line that was made to complement a wide range of skin tones. Ta-da! Look at these beautiful colors.
Skein Tones offers a modern neutral palette aiming to complement a wide spectrum of skin tones.
Isn't that really clever? Skin tones.
Ooh. Look at these. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I think you know I love this. It's almost like makeup.
For your perfect match. I feel like I'm in the beauty store.
I rather choose yarn, so this is cool. This is right up my alley.
So it's worsted weight yarn and their basic stitch anti-pilling.
These are super soft. I'm sure you've worked with those already, but if you haven't, highly recommend it. Worsted weight, 100% acrylic.
And I love that it's machine washable and dryable.
So many rich tones. There's gonna be 12 colors.
There's 12 colors in all, and they all look so pretty and fabulous together.
It's so beautiful. I can't even put into words how beautiful these skeins look together.
I found it. Look at it. Look at it. Girl.
And my favorite is this hazelnut, of course, because it is me.
Look at that shade of brown. Oh my goodness, I found my shade already.
They're all so pretty.
Can you imagine all the amigurumi options? Can you imagine all of the colorwork options? Can you imagine even just solid skeins? Like even this cream is just so perfect.
And I already know what I want to make with this. Y'all know I'm a sweater fanatic, so a sweater it is.
I can see a blanket. I can see a hat. I can see a scarf.
I would love to design a shawl with these. I think that would be perfect because they all complement each other so well, just like we all do with all of our different color skin tones.
I really feel like this yarn line is so important.
If you haven't seen anything beautiful today, this is it. This is it. I love these. Ooh, Lion Brand. I'm so excited.
You know what? Put me down in the books as a fan of Skein Tones. I am happy, I am excited, and I'm about to go get to work, so I'll see you later.